passengers. Welcome aboard the little train K3418. This train will pass through Snow Mountain, Desert Grassland.
जाओ जाओ जाओ
Passengers need to have their tickets checked to get on the train. Use the ticket punch pliers to punch a hole in the ticket. Examine the luggage. Danger gasoline. Pointed scissors. Well done. You found all the dangerous items. Where would you like to sit? Thank you. Unable to download. Please at Snow Mountain. Please take all your belongings and get off in an orderly manner. Wow! We can build a snowman now! It's so cold! Please help me put on a warm coat and gloves! It's so cold! Please help me put on a warm coat and gloves! Don't forget the gloves! Now I'm ready! Let's go and build a snowman! Roll the snowball to make it bigger! Roll the snowball to make it bigger! Roll the snowball to make it bigger! Great! Now we've made the body of the snowman. Next, let's find some branches to make the snowman's arms. Find some branches to make the arms for the snowman. Wow! You found all the branches! Drag the branches and stick them in the snowball. Let's choose a pair of beautiful eyes for the snowman. The snowman will look better with a nose. Finally, let's add some decorations to it. Wow! You made a beautiful snowman! The train is about to turn. Which way do you want to go? Roger that! The train is about to turn. Please sit tight and hold on. The little choo-choo train has a long body. It carries people and goods. We should
comply with the order, and we are arriving at the loading area. Please load the goods onto the train.
Great! You loaded the goods! Passengers need to have their tickets checked to get on the train. Examine the luggage. Deep fruit knife. Utility knife. Firecrackers.
चलो कर लो यार
Hammer. Fruit knife. Well done. You found all the dangerous items.
ये तेज बड़ा
Where would you like to sit? Where would you like to sit? Ooh, thanks. Huh? Thanks. We are arriving at the delivery spot. Please put the goods into the lift truck. Thank you for the delivery. The train is approaching Desert Slope. Please take all your belongings and get off in an orderly manner. Let's have a sandboarding race. Candy. Ready.
बंद करा दिया ये प्रधान यार गलत बनाया
Slide up to avoid obstacles.
ये तो इधर पता नहीं किधर रख के गया सीगा ਅਸੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਸਮਾਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਚੱਕਦੇ ਯਾਰ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਸਮਾਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਚੱਕਦੇ ਇਹ ਭੈਣ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਚੱਕ ਕੇ ਲੈ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਚੋਰ ਤਾਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਹੀ ਦਿਆ ਹੈਗਾ ਚਾਚਾ ਸਾਡਾ ਉਹ ਯਾਰ ਚੋਰ ਚੋਰੀ ਕਰਕੇ ਥੋੜੀ ਨਾ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਵੀ ਚੋਰੀ ਕਰਦਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਹੁਣ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹਟਿਆ ਚੋਰੀ ਕਰਨ ਨੂੰ
the presentation of prizes. Awesome! You won the first place!
फोटो खींचना
The train is about to turn. Which way do you want to go?
मैं उधर जाना ही नहीं है जा गए नहीं
Roger that. The train is about to turn. Please sit tight and hold on. Take a journey by train and enjoy the scenery of the four seasons. The little choo-choo train is... Uh-oh. The track ahead is disconnected. Choose the correct track to connect it. Oops, that's not the right track. Try another one. Good job, you fixed the track. Passengers need to have their tickets checked to get on the train. Thanks. And pasture. Please take all your belongings and get off in an orderly manner. Let's milk the cow and make some milk tea. The cow is a little dirty. Let's clean it first. Drag the brush. Good job. The cow is clean now. Oops, the cow is a little upset. Let's cheer it up. That's great, the cow is happy now. Next, let's milk the cow together. Now we've got milk. Let's make some milk tea. Brick tea. Milk. Butter. Salt. Stir it. Great! The milk tea is ready. Let's eat. Please pour me a cup of milk tea. so good! Dear passengers, we are arriving at the terminal station. Please check your belongings before you get off. Everyone, this is the end of our journey. See you next time. Bye.